Adam Russell here from JD Bruley Equipment. Today we're going to focus on a Harben P pump. It is a trailer jetter. Can be mounted in many configurations for trailer mount, truck mount, van mount, or permanently mounted. The Harben P pump is a radial piston pump. This pump can run completely dry for an extended period of time, and where a typical plunger pump or a triplex plunger pump requires water to lubricate. This pump does not. And the way it's designed, the water and oil don't ever touch each other. This pump can be frozen, but not through a deep freeze. This unit also, for Canada, comes with antifreeze injection for winterization. So there's no need to have the unit running while you're going down the road. This Harben P pump runs at 18 gallons a minute at 4,000 PSI, carrying 500 feet of half-inch hose on the rear reel and 150 feet of quarter-inch hose on the front reel, which is completely removable, so you could carry this to your remote job site and operate it that way. This unit has a control panel here and also is fully controllable from your wireless remote. Now with this wireless remote, you can start and stop the engine. You can also control your throttle, increase and decrease, and your water on off. This unit also has a hose reel that swivels left and right and is hydraulically powered, so you can go in and out. It also has a freewheel, so you could freewheel it. You can pull the hose reel off by hand if you need to. A couple extra features on this unit would be a 2-inch water fill. It also comes with an adapter to fill from a garden hose outlet. So if you're working somewhere where you have a hard time getting water, you can always get water from a house or a commercial water hose bib. It also has a water tank float. This unit has a 300-gallon water tank on board, which should run you about 40 to 50 minutes of flushing. And a pump gun. This pump gun, it will unload when you're not under pressure for safety reasons and will allow you to pressure wash. This Harben P pump is completely 100% customizable. You can go from 300 gallons to 15 or 2,000 gallon configurations, 2-3 axle configurations. It can also be truck mounted. So with a truck mounted unit, you can, as long as the truck is capable of carrying the water, your water is to your limit of the chassis. Also on this unit, it has its own diesel tank, glycol tank, and water tank with full recirculation. You can have trailers that are galvanized, stainless steel, steel painted, or you can have them skid mounted, so you can take them on and off multiple units. This unit is superior to most other units because the maintenance on this unit is a lot less. It requires very little maintenance requirements from the operator other than maintaining oil and keeping the unit clean.